167.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm recording this one to make it good.
Well, let's try, yeah.
Don't we always? Don't we
Okay,
always?
let's head for A line. Oh, someone just shot me. Fucking hell.
We're on the A
Where the hell
line.
the A line?
Yeah,
Oh.
we're going B7, the 7-8, A, B, C, 8. Sorry, in the middle of that, someone just shot
What
me
now?
in the shoulder.
What?
Alright, that's you out in B7. We're heading towards you.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna join up and
Did
then
I
we
actually
walk
hit you in the shoulder?
Oh, was that you that shot?
What the fuck this? Maybe not, wait. Huh?
Okay, where do we go with this? We're like 4 people, that's
Whoa,
a lot.
whoa. Someone else just shot me.
Hi there. Hey, I didn't shoot you.
He shot me as well then.
You shot me.
I didn't shoot. Okay.
Yeah,
oh,
you hit me. You actually critted my left torso, prick.
Someone shot me in the back and you laughed. So I presumed it was
It
you.
wasn't me. I was shooting in front of your face.
I got shot and some.
Okay, anyway. Where you guys wanna go?
We're just gonna head all the way around on the 7 line.
Okay. Try and find stragglers, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Until we can get right behind them, and then we'll kind of wait for the others to engage, unless we find.
Have you guys mastered the Arctic Cheetah? Because I
Yeah.
think
Oh, yeah.
you're slightly faster than me.
Yeah.
I need to pick up some more soon.
Okay.
Oh, they got
we're
something
on
in E6 and it's kinda alone. Let's get that
Yeah,
now.
it's a light. They're there.
Shall we get it?
Yeah, let's get rid of that light.
We got a straggler down here.
Something in
Charlie.
B7.
Charlie and F4 guys. A
Dark
trebuchet.
side.
Leg it. Aim for the hip part. That always hits the seat in the legs anyway.
Say that again.
Go for the hip part, that usually damages the legs. Even if you don't specifically aim for the... Ooh.
Probably on a
one
bail,
line
there's a
over
lot
there.
of them coming.
Yeah, disengage. You don't want to get into all of that.
Let's head around the 7 line G7.
Okay, I got their attention on me.
Okay, let's go around G6.
I'm in Fox 4. I'm going to swing around.
Okay, I'm gonna go G6, G5.
Okay, coming with you.
Whoa, missiles incoming.
Oh, they're facing backwards. Watch it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for
What you got over there in G4?
Lima.
Okay, they've turned off.
What? Oh shit.
I'm going to go back in.
Hey, the Jenner's
Charlie
back.
some more.
Go for Alpha.
Oxide's on.
Leg is almost open.
Critical damage.
Shot.
Good job.
The
with
damage
bail.
detection on this crap.
Watch out.
Arm destroyed.
Yep, they're here. Popping UAV.
Destroyed.
That's why not.
Bugging out.
Actually, you can get golf. No, you're right. Bug
Yeah,
out.
I lost an arm.
New target.
Okay, there's a
Depending on
straggler.
which side you
That
want to bug out
trebuchet
to.
is pissed off, guys. Come over to F4. I've got a trebuchet singled
Okay,
out
I'm
all
coming that way.
alone.
On my way.
Well,
Charlie.
huge amount of them chasing us, so we're at
Yeah,
least
it's
distracted
cool.
loads.
Keep leading him away. Keep leading him away. It's a Battlemaster and.
Oh, for fuck's
Whoa,
sakes.
it's a Stormcrow without an arm. Hey, can anybody of you... Actually, yeah, fuck, never mind, I'll run away. He can't catch me. No one can.
Charlie.
I'm coming with you. Yeah, G6 guys are really trying to chase us all the way to the edges of the map. Awesome. They're so confused right now. Although they're killing our guys nonetheless, what the fuck. Who's that guy? Charlie, okay.
Echo's open.
New target acquired.
Come on. Fuck. The fuck. Good job.
And they're reaching out, they're back. They're back! No, they're back. They took one of my weapons.
New
Not
target
cool. I
acquired.
can't do much damage anymore. Okay, we good to our guys, I guess. India, get India.
New target.
Oh, the guy's fresh, right? The guy fresh. Side torso 8. He's ignoring me completely. Awesome. Other side torso. It's easier than the side center torso. Nice.
Nice work.
Joker, fuck Joker. Wait, where are all our guys? Retreat to our guys entirely. Fuck this shit. We're being too much targets now. And our guys aren't taking damage, and we're light. We're not supposed to take damage.
Okay, guys, let's. Who are we going for? It's a lot of noise.
I just got Delta boxed up a little bit.
Well, Bravo is kind of fucked up. We should get Bravo.
New target
On
acquired.
Kilo King Crab.
Wait, where is he?
He's all alone
I
in
don't see a
F6.
Kilo. Oh,
No, he's not.
okay.
He's got
Yeah,
a
I see him now.
Phoenix Hawk and a Stormcrow with him.
Target Juliet's
Oh, but he's
OT.
fresh.
New target.
Oh my god, these guys got so much weight on us. Probably all the weight we didn't take. Hey, Mauler Delta Cytorzo is probably an XL with that kind of loadout. Yep,
Nice
yeah, he
work.
was. Cytorzo, the Battlemaster as well.
Right arm destroyed.
He's not an XL? Oh my god.
Pulse laser destroyed.
Bravo CT. Bravo Stormcrow CT.
UAV activated.
UAV's up. Guys, just remember.
Now
to
let me
keep
pass
a
him.
big
I'm gonna
circle.
lose the arm. Whew. Okay, let's go for something. Oh, Joker CT.
Acquired.
King Crab's looking pretty wasted.
Joker CT.
Good job.
Thank you.
Now we go for something
Kilo
else.
King Crab.
Ooh. Oh god, fuck. The Battlemaster is the primary target though. He's the most damaging one.
New target
Yeah,
acquired.
keep chasing me.
Left
Yeah,
arm
stand in front of me.
damage.
Cool. I got you. I'm almost out of weapons though. Out of ammo, I'm out of ammo. I'm gonna keep ramming the son of a bitch because I can. Watch out for the other guy when he comes around. Probably the crab. Okay, I took all the damage I could. Keep killing him. Where's the crab? Oh, here's the crab. I'll keep the crab targeted. Actually, you could kill the crab faster than the other guy. Crab is CT and side torso. I would suggest Kilo first. It's easier.
Yeah, well, the crab was spending the crap out of me there. Hey, 792 damage and 3 kills. I'll live with that.
Yeah, they really overdid the armor on the commando.
Destroyed.
Hey, good game.
They've got like so much structure.
Nice
Good job.
getting that.
That should be good for the recording.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Let's see what we did in the end.
Phoenix Dominion.
We
are
mugged them.
recruiting.
948 and 4 kills for me.
Nice.
Praetorian Legion is recruiting.
Yeah, we did 9 kills in our lights. The only one who didn't do any work was that Limitless guy.
Yeah, fuck him.
Whatever.
But at least he lived. Well, yeah, this was pretty
Yeah,
good,
this
guys.
had
Pretty
one.
good.
Okay, guys, that's it. That's a good one to go to bed on.